Hello, I'm in a 2010 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, you just go down, and you should see a lever here that you'll pull, feel a little resistance, and hear like a pop. Alright, should be open for me now. So you can see what it looks like under here. There's like a cord with some tension. Yep, right there. So you should see a little bit of resistance on that. If it's super loose or disconnected, you might have to go in and try to tighten, reattach whatever you need. But yeah, now we'll go up front. And most cars, there's like a lever right around the middle. So I just pulled up. So you should have a little bit of space in here. So there's a lever right here that you push up. Pull the hood up. So it was connected to that. And it was that part there with this lever right here going up and down. This might need a little WD-40 or something in that if it's sticking or a new part. But yep, that's it. I'll close it back up. Hope that was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.